We up here working, cleaning the stuff out. Got rid of them stands that was over there, but we took them out already, cut them down. So, showing you more now. I'm gonna get them to turn the lights on the other side. We're gonna put the display for the radio over here. This is where the radio display gonna go. The rims, we're gonna have them in the window. The rims gonna be in the window. And we also doing the tint windows too, right, George?
Yeah.
Tinted windows with the vinyl wraps, lower suspension. We got license for all that. And here's another one. Like I said, there's so many rooms and dugout spots in here. I didn't even see this spot last time. This is a whole nother spot. It's a whole nother spot. Then I just seen this whole nother spot. Oh, some bathrooms. Hey, I'm gonna do a video of the other side, George. You cut the lights on like when you walk in there?
Where?
For the other side. How you cut the lights on?
Yeah.
As soon as you walk through the door?
The ones on the wall.
On the wall, okay. Show you guys that too. This is another office. Like I said, this place is, when I say big, it's like a maze. Walk y'all through it again. That's another spot. So you can go through so many different exits. Upstairs, we showed y'all that. I'm gonna show y'all the other upstairs. Oh, is it? They got the lights on. Oh, they got the lights on now. Oh, the lights on now. This is another spot. You know, I mean, like, it's stupid big. Now you can see. See what I'm talking about? I don't know if all these gonna cut them on. I don't know. I guess them up there. It's upstairs. I mean, this place is big. This used to be a karate school right here, or a fitness gym. Look how big it is. 30-foot ceilings. It's the other side. The lights ain't on up here. Oh, I think it's, there you go. Like this place is, like I said, it's huge, y'all. It's huge. And it's an apartment on the other side. 5 bedrooms. Here go more offices. When I say this is crazy, y'all, this is crazy. Another office. Another office. About like 5 offices through this whole joint. But this upstairs, you know, we got plenty of room. Plenty of room. You get lost in here, literally get lost. I'm talking about, check it out. This place is big. Let me cut these lights back off. Over 10,000 square feet. That's what I want to show y'all. That's why we might put the spray booth at, the paint booth. Yeah. I think this would be a good spot for the paint booth. I mean, this place is big. You can put, man, I don't know how many cars can fit in here. Shit. Man, you can fit probably 5 cars along this wall. Spaces. Another bathroom. There's bathrooms everywhere. Everywhere. This way you can do is put a lift. This is about the tallest spot in the building. And back here. Turn these off. There we go. Place is big. It's another spot. You can go through that way. That's another bathroom. So it's 4 bathrooms. It's 4 bathrooms. 4. This one got a shower. So it's 4 bathrooms and a shower. Yeah, this place is big. All these cabinets going out here though. He's to own a jewelry store. And they closed the jewelry store down. It's another way. Yeah, this place is big. It's big. It's huge. It's huge, man. I'm like, damn. This is
Big.
this is big. Yeah. This is like automotive heaven.
Like what?
It's like automotive heaven. You know what I'm saying? It's when you go to heaven for the cars. We're gonna have this display up here. Like we just showing y'all how we getting it together. We're gonna be here for a long time. Long time. Been knowing George about 15 years. Anybody need that jet ski, you come and get it. It's free. No keys, no title though. It is free though. You can have it. Just come and get it. We also got motorcycle tires you guys can come and get. So we're gonna be here for a minute, cleaning up, get a few things done. And it's 4 bathrooms in here, huh?
Yeah.
4, like 4. Wow. Yeah, 4, and it's a shower.
Yeah. So if we get,
This place is big.
if we get all dirty, we can shower.
You can shower when you get dirty. Oh no, I'm good, thanks. Yeah. Coming soon, man. Y'all stay tuned. One-stop shop. Everything. Everything. Catch you on next one. Peace and love. We putting the display cabinets. Gonna go right here to display all the stuff. The mufflers, all the off-road lighting. Everything gonna be displayed on the wall, hanging up. So we're gonna have the other stuff in the cabinets. The fiberglass console is gonna be in the cabinet. And over here, we're gonna build a wall, speakers and radios and all the audio equipment, amps, speakers and radios going over here. And I guess we're gonna set up the rim display over there when that display come in. So, thinking about some jewelry too, so we just trying to get everything together. Might have jewelry. We setting up the display. Like I said, this place is huge. Like this, huge, like very huge. That's how you get in on the floor to bring a car in through the door. Stay tuned, YouTube. Stay tuned. This is day 1. We in here, man.
We changed all this floor.
Oh, y'all changed the tiles?
Yeah. And
Okay.
that one. There used to be carpet.
Yeah, I remember the carpet, yeah, when we first came in last year.
Yeah, it was carpet. So
Yeah.
we had this guy coming in. He got rid of all the carpet. We took the carpet, we cleaned it, and installed new tile.
Yeah, in certain spots.
Yeah.
Now just gonna buff it out, buff the floors.
We need to buff it out to make it look nice.
Still up here at the shop, cleaning up. Just got through eating the tacos, steak tacos. What's the name of that restaurant? Valentine's?
Yeah.
Yeah, Valentina's.
Yeah.
Good taco. They got fish tacos. I never heard of it, but they got fish tacos. So yeah. Display cabinets together. Gonna fill it up. It's pretty much gonna be a one-stop shop. Everything from exhaust, suspension, body, paint, customization, everything. It's a big place. Let me show you how big it is. Super big. It's just one side. It goes down to the other end of the block. TVs, putting TVs up and everything. Cameras. Everything is going to be by appointment only. No walk-ins. We're doing nothing but appointments. Nothing but appointments. No walk-ins. Shout out to everybody supporting the boy. We're going to make some big things happen this year for everybody. Like I said, it's our year. Everybody's year, YouTube. Not just my year. Your year too. Not just your year, my year too. Alright, YouTube, I'm very excited. Very, very excited. We got new lighting coming up. Track lights gonna go all the way around. Track lights. You guys gonna see. Coming soon. I'm just leaving this shop right now, man. I'm just leaving right now. All right, George. Yep, you too. Just leaving. So we're gonna catch y'all on next one, man. We got a lot of stuff done today, but you know, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, man. I am happy, y'all. I'm happy, man. Lord knows I've been waiting for years, man. I've been waiting for years since I had my shop in Hammond, Indiana. Like I said, I got my name on the lease. We good. We got all the paperwork for automotive mechanics. So all right, YouTube. I'll catch y'all in the future. We'll be back tomorrow to finish some moving and some other stuff. Peace and love.